Yes, today I've called a meeting from from the government side. The IG of BSF, along with his senior officer and additional chief secretary, home and secretary home, DGP, as well as Inspector General of Police. So we had a detailed meeting relating to that incident, which was happened somewhere in that Muktapur side. And then we discussed all the details, but let me just inform you that yesterday at Amlarem, meeting was held jointly, and then the issue was amicably resolved. So I don't want to talk anything else on this since it has been resolved. But again, I've taken a decision that now on we will have an official notification from the government side where even the BSF authority has agreed to it. The notification is relating to the coordination committee, standing coordination committee in all the international border with Bangladesh to be headed by the SDO civil like Amlarem, like Punusla, Sora, then Ranikor, then Dalu side. So we will have this committee according to the subdivisional level, and to be headed by the SDO civil. Then the members will be the SDPO of those respective civil subdivision, and the company, they call it company commander of the respective BSF camp has also to be there. And also we would like to have the traditional heads like the Sardar, the Rambashno to be part of that committee. At least this committee will sit down, if not once a week, at least maybe twice a month or maybe once a month. They will sort it out those differences wherever arises, or even without any conflict or without even any incident happen, they can always have a meeting, and this will be notified very soon along with the terms of reference of this coordination committee. So once this is in place, I am very sure uh, all this kind of misunderstanding or the unfortunate incidents, whatever, can be resolved at the earliest possible and locally can be done without, spreading those incidents. Otherwise, now because the social media is very fast nowadays, it may just a split of second spread out to the entire state. So this is the decision we taken today, and very soon, hopefully by, if not tomorrow, by day after tomorrow, this notification will come out.